Hey there, future entrepreneurs. If you've ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit, you're in the right place. I'm excited to share with you today the blueprint to achieving a remarkable milestone, earning $10,000 per month as a beginner. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to level up your current ventures, this roadmap is tailored for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets, overcome challenges, and pave your way to financial success. This is the blueprint for your $10,000 journey. Building a consistent income of $10,000 per month as a beginner can be challenging, but it's certainly possible with the right mindset, strategy, and dedication. Here's a blueprint to help you get started. Set clear goals, define your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Break down your monthly income target into achievable milestones. Choose a niche, identify your skills, interests, and passions. Select a niche or industry where you can provide value. Build skills, invest time in learning and honing the necessary skills for your chosen niche. Consider online courses, workshops, or mentorship programs. Freelancing, offer your services on freelancing platforms, e.g., Upwork, Fiverr. Build a strong profile with a clear description of your skills and expertise. Create a portfolio, showcase your work through an online portfolio or a personal website. Provide examples of successful projects and client testimonials. Networking, connect with professionals in your niche on social media platforms like LinkedIn. Attend relevant events and engage in conversations to build your network. Content creation, start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast related to your niche. Affiliate marketing, explore affiliate marketing programs related to your niche. Online courses, coaching, once you have expertise, create and sell online courses. Passive income streams, invest in income-generating assets, e.g., stocks, real estate. Create and sell digital products, ebooks, templates. Look for opportunities to expand your offerings and reach a larger audience. Financial management, keep track of your income and expenses. Save and reinvest a portion of your earnings for growth. Adapt and optimize, stay informed about industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency, dedication, and a willingness to adapt are key. Avoiding certain common pitfalls is crucial for beginners to ensure a smoother and more successful journey. Here's a blueprint of things not to do. Lack of clear goals, don't start without clear financial and career goals. Neglecting skills development, don't skip investing time in learning and honing your skills. Avoid launching into a field without the necessary expertise. Ignoring market research, don't overlook researching your chosen niche and target audience. Overpricing or underpricing services, don't set prices arbitrarily, research industry standards. Avoid underpricing, as it can devalue your work, or overpricing, which can deter potential clients. Neglecting a professional online presence, don't ignore the importance of a strong online presence. Avoid unprofessional profiles, incomplete portfolios, or outdated websites. Ignoring legal and tax obligations, don't neglect legal aspects, such as contracts or business registrations. Avoid ignoring tax responsibilities, stay compliant to prevent future issues. Ignoring feedback and learning opportunities, don't dismiss feedback, whether positive or constructive. Overcomplicating things, don't overcomplicate your business or projects unnecessarily. Avoid unnecessary complexities that can hinder progress. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote products, services, or brands to a target audience. It encompasses a wide range of online activities that businesses leverage to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, drive traffic, and ultimately generate sales or leads. Digital marketing is dynamic and constantly evolving, with new technologies and strategies emerging regularly. It provides businesses with the flexibility to reach a global audience, target specific demographics, and measure the success of their marketing efforts more accurately compared to traditional forms of marketing. Digital marketing takes advantage of the internet and electronic devices to reach consumers in various ways. Here are some key components of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, optimizing online content, websites, blogs, etc., to improve its visibility in search engine results. The goal is to attract organic, non-paid traffic to a website. Search engine marketing, SEM, or pay-per-click, PPC, using paid advertising to appear in search engine results. Advertisers bid on keywords, and they pay when users click on their ads. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Social media marketing, promoting products or services on social media platforms, e.g., Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. It involves creating and sharing content, as well as running targeted advertising campaigns. Email marketing, sending targeted messages and promotions to a list of subscribers via email. Email marketing is used to nurture leads, build relationships, and drive conversions. Affiliate marketing, partnering with other businesses or individuals, affiliates, who promote products or services in exchange for a commission on sales generated through their marketing efforts. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers or individuals with a significant following on social media platforms to promote products or services. Influencers have the ability to sway the opinions and purchasing decisions of their audience. Online PR, public relations, managing a brand's online presence and reputation. This includes activities such as online reviews, press releases, and media coverage. Analytics and data analysis, using tools and platforms to analyze the performance of digital marketing campaigns. This helps marketers understand user behavior, measure the effectiveness of strategies, and make data-driven decisions. Mobile marketing, creating marketing strategies tailored to reach users on mobile devices. This can include mobile-optimized websites, apps, and targeted mobile advertising. Here's a fresh perspective on how you can potentially earn $10,000 per month with digital marketing. Freelance services, offer specialized digital marketing services as a freelancer. This could include SEO, social media management, content creation, or email marketing. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and results. Niche blogging or vlogging, start a blog or YouTube channel in a niche you are passionate about. Monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or Google AdSense. Online courses and workshops, develop and sell online courses or workshops on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Leverage your expertise in a specific area of digital marketing. Consulting services, offer consulting services to businesses looking to improve their digital marketing strategies. Provide personalized advice and recommendations for optimization. E-commerce business, start an e-commerce store selling digital marketing tools, templates, or resources. Utilize effective digital marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Affiliate marketing mastery, focus on becoming an affiliate marketing expert. Build niche-specific websites or content, promoting products with high commission rates. Social media management for small businesses, specialize in managing social media accounts for small businesses. Offer packages that include content creation, posting schedules, and engagement strategies. Digital marketing agency, scale up from freelancing to starting your own digital marketing agency. Hire a team and offer comprehensive digital marketing solutions to clients. Digital marketing training workshops, conduct training workshops for businesses or individuals looking to enhance the digital marketing skills. Charge a fee for participation. Podcasting sponsorships, embarking on a journey in the digital marketing realm. Why not amplify your voice and expertise through podcasting? Starting a podcast dedicated to discussing digital marketing trends and strategies can be an excellent way to showcase your knowledge. But here's the exciting part: attract sponsors. Imagine having your insights sponsored by industry leaders. This not only enhances your credibility but also provides a lucrative revenue stream through sponsored content. In the vast landscape of digital marketing, your podcast could be the next big thing. Lead generation services. Are you passionate about connecting businesses with quality leads? Specialize in lead generation services. In a world where businesses constantly seek high-value leads, your expertise can be invaluable. Utilize various digital channels to generate leads. And here's the kicker: charge on a per-lead basis. It's a win-win. Businesses get quality leads, and you get compensated for each valuable connection made. As you fine-tune your strategies, watch your business soar while helping others achieve their growth goals. Digital marketing tools development. Are you a problem solver at heart? Dive into the world of digital marketing tools development. Identify a need in the digital marketing space and craft a software tool or app to address it. The best part? Monetize your creation through subscriptions or one-time purchases. Your innovation could streamline processes, provide solutions, and become an indispensable asset for marketers worldwide. The possibilities are limitless, and so is the potential for substantial income. Performance-based marketing, ready to tie your success directly to results. Offer performance-based marketing services. This innovative approach involves aligning your income with the tangible outcomes you achieve for your clients. Build trust by showcasing successful case studies, demonstrating the real impact of your strategies. In a results-driven industry, this method not only sets you apart but also ensures that your success is directly tied to the success stories you create for your clients. Remember, success in digital marketing is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Tailor your approach based on your strengths, stay innovative, and always keep an eye on the evolving trends in the industry. Your unique skills and understanding of your target audience will be your guiding lights on this exciting path. Congratulations! You've just uncovered the blueprint to a $10,000 monthly income as a beginner. Remember, this journey requires dedication, resilience, and continuous learning. If you found this blueprint valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. Now, go out there, turn those dreams into reality, and let's make that $10,000 a month a part of your success story. Until next time, keep hustling and keep thriving.